Guys, today we are going to be doing something a little same. Always doing the same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to be getting this box that I had all my old stuff. Now, thinking of that, you must be thinking that, didn't I make a video about all of my airsoft guns? Well, yeah, that's part one. It's part two, baby. Alright, let's get the box. Right there, guys. It's heavy. Jesus. Alright, so we've got the box. What we're going to do is we're going to see all the guns I've got. So, turn it around. Yes. Now it's heavy. So, shocking. Now, you guys maybe remember this. It's my it's my pump shotgun that I used in a video that I reviewed. Now, this shotgun, it has a buttstock. It has a beautiful wood texture. It's orange. It's got silver painting here. You can screw it off and not have any rails for some reason. This gun does take apart. You screw that up. You take it out. You take this apart and you take the barrel off, and then you've got like a custom one. So that's what it is. It's basically a good shotgun. It's almost big. I don't know about you guys, but up to my stomach, it's pretty big for a shotgun. It's like a hunting shotgun. How could I explain it more? Oh, there we go. It's a nice shotgun. There we go, shot one. Right, that's the shotgun. Now we're moving to the sniper rifle, the Inventor 79, or the worst sniper for £20 that I made on a video. Now this one has a bipod. I found the solution why it was so bad. You see in the video, I said that the bipod was bad, I couldn't even hold on. Well, that's because of one reason. When you put it on like this, see, look, it leaves like a little gap there. If you guys can see it right there. It's like a big gap. That's why it shakes off really easily. So what I did was that I didn't realise that this was actually rubber. So, I clacked the hole in another hole, and long story short, it does not come off. And yeah, this gun is pretty good for a sniper rifle, but of course it's broken because I used it too many times. But yeah, I would definitely use it on a backyard airsoft field. Now, this is the one that I've been. This is actually my first favourite airsoft gun. We have the AK-47 or CM022. It is a AEG. From the back of here, you slide it open, it pops out. You take your battery out, you put it in, and just get that back. Put it back on. Slap it back on the buttstock, and you're ready. Then this charging level does not move back. It is just a normal one, and the safety is on top of here. Safety's on here. Semi and auto. And there's a hop up here. If you guys can see that. Put that back. That goes backwards. And if you put it up, it goes forwards. I would recommend if you bought this gun, I would use forwards because it's better for beginners. I'm gonna put it on semi, or actually I'm gonna put it on safe because that's better. But guns are not a joke or a toy. So yeah, it's a nice gun. And by the way, do not aim at anybody. Sorry, I just really like this gun. I think I'm gonna have this as my profile picture. No, not to be cocky. But I had the magazine. Side of my head. Slide in there, I guess. And the sides are adjustable, so you put them up You can put them down. That helps your adjustments or your sights. Now for this gun, I think it's a good gun. I forgot to rate them. The shotgun, 5 out of 10. Yeah, I'll use 5 out of 10. Then this one would use 7 out of 10. This one would be 9 out of 10. Alright, next one. Oh, I can feel the SMG. There's the Charge SMG. Now, the Charge SMG, if you guys didn't know, I made a video about all my airsoft guns. Again, part 1. But it is a very, how can I say it? Not a portable gun. I mean, right now, it's portable. But that's because it's uncharged and the batteries are out. So basically, it only fires when you plug it in. Only fires when you plug it in. That's the disappointment in this gun. That's why I don't like it. So I'm gonna rate it 4, because it would be good. It would be okay to play with if you're like charging in your back. If you're in your room and you're shooting it from the window as an LMG, it goes. So it's the LMG, AK, but I would reckon this would be used as an AK. This could be used as an LMG, because you would win. If it was a spring airsoft field, if it was just like a backyard airsoft field, you would be the man of that game. So again, 4 rates. Let's see what we can find in that box. No, saving that for last. Oh, remember that trashy rifle? You know that sniper rifle for £20? Another one. It broke. It broke. It does not fire. Let me show you all the pictures. Let me just find them. There's this piece. Let me get this one as well. Where is it? Wait there, guys. I think. Oh, there it is. There's the barrel. There's the barrel. So it broke off the one airsoft field. So what happened was that, let me just put it all back together. You can't put the stock on back, but you can. But you can't. That's a kind of disappointment. So yeah, that goes here. Still breaks off very easy, so I have to hold it. So what happened was that I was using it in an airsoft field, and I shot it, and when I reloaded it, there it goes. That's exactly what happened. When I reloaded it, I just cut myself. Come on. I just cut myself. Oh, it's bleeding. Vampire Patrick. Alright. I think I'll be fine. Yeah, I will be fine. It's just that airsoft gun. It's just that this sharp thing just cut me right deep in it. But oh, it's bleeding. Okay. Sorry guys, if you don't like blood. That's kind of what I have to deal with. Yeah, and you might be thinking that pain will not stop the pain, but for me, it's pretty easy to handle. It doesn't matter. So then we get the pistol, and it's bleeding more. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna disinfect the blood. Just give me a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. I think I disinfected it now. It is a little, it's getting better. Hopefully it doesn't get any more worse. What I did was disinfect it with soap and water, and I think I'm fine. It's not that bad. Alright, so I got a pistol. It's a nice pistol. And this thing, believe it or not, shoots even without the slide. I'm pretty sure all guns do that, but it's just very exciting for me. So, you see this? Watch. The reason why I just hold it there is because of this reason. Yep, that happens. So you have to like plug it on. Fire. This thing shoots 17 BBs. Oh, my video. And my grandma shoot though, so it doesn't really matter. I don't have to. So yeah, BBs. You put them in there, lock them in like a normal gun. Put it back. Fire. I'm gonna put this back on. Alright. Because I was saying like, where's the tip? Nice. Alright, next we have. I remember this one for the book. Where's the handle? Give me a minute, guys. Oh, shit. And my gun fell. Need to quickly. Alright. Normal gun, right? Normal gun. Guess again. It is broken. It was a revolver. It did used to use shells. If you guys want to really see the shells, I'm gonna try to find them. Oh, I found the shells. Give me a minute, guys. Found the shells, but I used them as a decoration. So it's a broken. Oh my god, the hammer. It's so hard to put up with the hammer. I can only use this as a piece of trash because this is only to, and it's getting worse. Do I really need to disinfect it again? I don't think I have to. I don't think I... Alright. I think that's good to go. You, on the other hand, get out of here. Alright, then we got... Oh! I bet I didn't... Oh, it's... Whoa. Why is it getting more worse? Alright, guys, I'll be right back. I need to disinfect it again. Sorry. Just click off if you don't want to. It's a very weird video. Wait there, guys. Okay, back. Now, you behave. Don't bleed. Alright, next. I have to find me what I was going to show you. We've got the G6 broken. It's broken. You can see the internals, it's all broken. And you better behave. I've been through enough pain already. Where? Oh, there it is. I don't think you guys know this one, but today we're going to be making another review on this. This is starting to sound like the beginning of the beginning of my videos. No, I'm not going to make two videos at the same time. I'm going to make one video. I'm going to make one review and one show off. So here we have the beautiful silver stainless steel Colt 1911 G10 repeater. This pistol was £30. £30 for this. Oh my god, it's heavy as hell. It is heavy and it's £30. No wonder. And yes, it does have a mag release. You slide it back. You put that up, you put your big BB in there, and you fire. Nice. Kicks a lot, I gotta tell you. No mag. No, only safety is when you do that, you put that down and you cannot fire it. When you put it this way, and you put it like that, you cannot fire it. When you push it, you can fire it. Very simple, easy G10 repeater. G10 repeater. And it's made in the USA. Where's it saying? There we go. If you guys can see that. Made in USA. Alright, next up we got the why a broken gun? Why? It's a broken gun. Barrel snap off. Jesus Christ. It's a very simple, it's a wiggly barrel. Why am I completely doing it? I should be treating guns with respect. I'm sorry, gun. That was just out of control. This is a Mauser. Where is it? Where's the box? Oh, found the box. Oh, give me a minute, guys. It's stuck underneath here. For God's sake, how many stuff do I have on here? Oh God, I haven't opened this box in years. To get it, beautiful G10, beautiful. That's how it got in the box. It was so beautiful. I loved it. Right, G10 out of here. Now, the Belgian revolver we don't forget about. Same colour as my sharpener. Yes, and it is a sharpener. No, it's not a plain sharpener. This pistol was made in Belgium. I have a feeling. I think it was made. It said it was a Belgian revolver bulldog, and by that term, I already know the bulldog revolver was made by Britain, but it's the same model but smaller. So I think Belgium made it because their country's small. No offense, Belgian. If anybody that's Belgian is watching my videos, I'm sorry, but why am I sorry? It's actually a good gun. It's actually a pretty good gun. It's good for self-defense. Shoots a 22 long rifle. I have a feeling it does. I think that's all. Wait a minute. Did I say that's all? Did I say that's all? Did I really say that's all? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Did I say that's all? No, it's not all. I've got the best, the mainest, the greenest, the meanest, wait, what's it called? Oh, it's real big, it's mean, it's green, it's a goddamn killing, hunting, no, so what am I saying? It's mean, it's green, it's a deer hunting, it's a deer hunter yelling machine. Watch this bastard. Look at him. It is beautiful. And I said it was green. See the green. So if I said green, I am correct, even though there's yellow on there. But this is very good. This is very good. I love it. It's like it gives like a safari color, and it smells like lemon, which I don't think anybody wants. But let me tell you what got me frustrated. Look at that. Look how long that took. That took like a solid 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I could have been playing I could have played a match of Fortnite with that type of time. And this, you can't get better than that. You can't get a better grip than that. Come on. It is so good. And you need to see the scope. Right there, guys. I need to unscrew it and screw it back on. It's going to take some time. Oh, there we go. So, this is how it looks like without the scope. And this is how the scope looks like. Very nice scope. Love it a lot. So, yeah, that's the scope. I'll put it back in position. It's back. It is so good. I would definitely recommend it. Very nice. Love it. Magazine holds 20. Very nice. I did that emotion. Now, is that all? Anything else for me? Box is empty. Doesn't look like it has anything in there else. So now let's see the guns and see how much they cost each. First of all, we're going to start with the broken ones. £20. I'm going to put that in the box. £20 on the line. Okay, we're starting off with £20. It's okay. £20. Where's the other piece? Ah! God damn it, why am I always getting hurt? I've just been stabbed in the leg with a very sharp object. But nobody stabbed me, I stabbed myself, that's the problem. Ah! Stop! God damn, why is this room just full of abuse? Always been abused in this room. £20 on the line. Now we're getting higher. We're getting to £40. It's okay for money, for a beginner. When we get the big old sniper barrette, this was £30. Okay, we're getting onto the 70s. We're still in the tens.